Hey guys, what's going on? Got this question here. This was from a video where we went over hot box detectors and dragging equipment detectors. And he's just curious, what happens when one of these bearings goes bad mid-trip. So you'll get that initial indication from the hot box detector. It'll come up. It's a robotic voice that'll come on. You'll get a loud alarm initially, and it'll let you know that there's a hot axle heading back. It'll give you information like which axle number it is. Make sure you have a pen and a piece of paper with you at all times. So you're gonna write that axle number down. So let's say it's axle 40. So we got that. You write that down on your paper. And then when you start, you're going to get one of these and you'll throw it in your bag. And this is an axle counter. So you can see this used in a lot of other professions, but that's what we use it for, to count axles. Now, when you count your axles, you want to make sure that you include the locomotive in that count because that passed over the detector as well. So you'll count all the way back and you'll just click as you're walking, not counting cars, you're counting the axles on each car. So you'll go all the way back till you get to 40 and you'll stop. If it's not noticeable right away, if it's not bright red, from it being hot and a brake was stuck on the whole way, if it's not noticeable there, so you need to find out, which one is it, and is it the one that they noted here? Because sometimes it's not accurate. So there's a couple ways to do that. If you are in the northern states, a real easy way to tell is to grab some snow and throw it on the wheel. It'll immediately melt. You'll know right away. Another way is with one of these. This is a temp stick. So it's got like a chalky film on the inside, and you'll put it on the bottom cup of the axle, and you'll see if it melts. If it melts, you know that that's your hot wheel. Now, when you get there, let's say you do all that. It's not red, didn't melt. We got the wrong axle. You are required to inspect 20 axles in front of the one they announced, so 20 axles in front of 40, and 20 axles behind 40 until you find it. If you don't find it for some reason, then you'll have to get a hold of dispatch, let them know, hey, didn't find anything back here. We're going to hit that next. We're going to proceed. And then once we pass over another detector, if we get the same issue, we'll check it again. Now, if it goes bad mid-trip and you know for sure you get back there, it's glowing bright ass red. If it's safe enough to get it to another siding and set the car out, that's what you'll do. If it's something that's melted and it's a huge, detriment, it's a total loss, you'll separate the car and then you'll wait for them to come out and actually take that car out for you. So that's a long night, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Let me know if you have any other questions, put them down in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Take care.